Welcome to Solar Panels Cincinnati, your gateway to a brighter, more sustainable future. Discover the incredible advantages of switching to solar energy right here in our city. Firstly, the savings. Transitioning to solar significantly lowers your monthly electricity costs. Thanks to Cincinnati's generous sunshine, your solar panels can produce a substantial amount of energy, leading to considerable savings over time. Think of redirecting your usual utility expenses into something more rewarding. On the environmental front, solar energy is a game changer. It's a clean, renewable source that reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Adopting solar in Cincinnati means playing a vital role in fighting climate change and contributing to cleaner air for us all. Property value is another key benefit. Properties equipped with solar systems are in demand and tend to fetch higher prices on the market. It's not just an eco-friendly choice, it's a smart financial move. Energy independence is within reach too. With solar, you're not just cutting down on grid dependency, you're also setting up a personal power station right on your rooftop. This independence means you have the power to manage your energy use more effectively, with opportunities to store or even sell back excess energy. At Solar Panels Cincinnati, we're committed to guiding you through this exciting transition. Our experts are here to ensure a seamless experience from your first inquiry to the installation and beyond. Take a step toward making Cincinnati a greener, more energy-efficient community. Get in touch with Solar Panels Cincinnati today and start your journey to harnessing the sun's endless energy potential.